It is August the 21st. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. Hope everyone is probably in bed still, you know. I'm awake. I'm a night owl. You know, I do sleep a lot during the day, but these are my days off, and the days off I have, I work my business online, and I make products for my customers with my craft that I love, that I have passion for, and that is crochet. I love making crocheted amigurumi animals. That right now is my latest, but I've been crocheting since I was 8 years old, so I make all kinds of stuff. So if you want to check it out, you can check on the link below. Go to my crochet channel. Alright, I do have it as my featured channel on my mindset coach, Laudiaann Service. You can just go ahead, click on there, and then you can just watch the things I make. Alright, that's a totally separate channel from this one. So anyway, returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your reaction, everyone. I appreciate everybody's reaction to my videos, and I see the types of videos that my audience want on my channel. Those are the videos that I'm going to continue to make, because people are actually loving my videos. I don't know why. Even my co-workers, you know, I'm kind of shy that my co-workers have actually subscribed to my channel, because, you know, I'm very quiet at work. I don't share a lot about myself, but finding out that they're listening to my YouTube videos is kind of makes me feel kind of, I don't know. It's because they don't know me. They don't know the other side of me, and I'm really shy, and I don't really, I feel I feel different, especially when the people know me. But enough of that. This video I'm actually going to share with you. I actually learned it a few hours ago. I kind of wrote down a little message from Think Media, and I want to share it with you. And so they shared about 4 secrets of the mindset, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to share it with you. And let me start by sharing it. Number 1 is the commitment to excellence. Okay, you need to be your best. You need to try to be the first. You have a lot of competitors making videos out there, so try to make it 1% better, a similar video. Be it you, your authentic you, and it's all about who's making the best video to make it better. Anyway, you want to try to aim for that goal. Okay, you have to have the right mindset to do that. So if you don't, start meditating, start learning knowledge, learn from other leaders, put together a little outline what you want to talk about, and make sure you read what you wrote, and then put it into your own words, okay, and share. So you want to commit to excellence, so you want to deliver excellence and service to all your people that watch your channel, your subscribers, your view subscribers, and whoever that you know, your family member, your co-workers that you work with. And anyway, you want to make an excellent video to also leave a legacy for your family. Okay, I know my YouTube channel, my great-grandchildren probably are going to look me up, and so I want to make the best videos for them. Okay, and they might have a moment that they need help, so they'll look back at my channel and they'll find all the answers there, all the solutions they need. It's just reprogramming your mindset. That's all it's about, right? So commit to excellence is number 1. Number 2 is you need a commitment to wellness. You cannot go on and persevere if you are burnt out. So you need to take care of yourself physically, mentally, spiritually. You need to have a balance, all right? And change your way of the way you eat too. Change your diet. Your diet affects you physically, okay? And if you're not well and you're not healthy, how can you be the best you can be to make better videos, right? So don't let your light dim out. Fire up your commitment to excellence and wellness, all right? Okay, and then tip number 3 is commit to service. So what kind of service are you delivering to your subscribers and to your new subscribers? Okay, you should provide solution, and the solution is how the people are reacting to your comments. And if your video is amazing, just go ahead and make the same types of videos. So in this channel, a lot of people are responding to my motivational videos, I guess, just like this one. And that's what they like to hear from this channel. So that's my foundation with this channel, is building, helping people become successful. And I'm actually sharing my lifestyle too, my other business, the things I do, and pay attention, okay? Just pay attention to your reaction of your comments and make those same types of videos. And deliver great service to your subscribers, your new subscribers, all right? And taking care of them, finding a solution for them. If it's going to help them in the long run, you know, it will, because you're making a difference in this world and you're taking action, which I'm taking action, and I want to make a difference in your world. And then tip number 4 is commit to a mission. Have you ever asked yourself, what is your mission for your brand new YouTube channel? You know, if you don't have that mission, you can't start one. You got to have a mission, and your mission has to be a long-term mission. So find the principle of making the difference in the world with your YouTube channel. You know, it could be anything. You know, I'm different, okay? So I have several channels. This one is just about opening doors, helping you become that top leader of your success. So that's what mine said. Coach Laudiaann is about. Read my description channel if you want to find out more about me. All right, and if you actually have a talent, like I have a talent with crocheting, so I have a crochet channel called Crochet with Coach Laudiaann, and then you can go there, you can watch the things I make. I have tutorials, you know, that's my passion, and I'm actually going to be putting more patterns there. And I'm making ebooks. I'm going to give away free patterns, and I just started out with that channel. That channel is still brand new. It's fresh, and it's going to take a while to build that channel because I'm teaching a lot and I have to be creative. Anyway, those are the 4 tips again. Let me go back in this book again. But it is commitment to excellence, number 1. Number 2 is a commitment to wellness in your health. Number 3 is commit to service. Service your audience. Service your people, your subscribers, your new subscribers. Bring them solution to their answers. And then number 4, commit to a mission. You know, set your mind on a long-term commission where you want your YouTube channel to go. And the only way that you can allow that to happen is keep making videos persistently, consistently, and see how people react to your videos, and make those same types of videos. Okay, so anyway, I am going to go back to work. I'm going to make a crochet video. You know what, I like to share myself. I see my coworkers, you know, ever since they told me that they subscribe to my channel, I know they think I'm crazy, they think I'm kooky, and they just love my channel because they love my personality. You know, I enjoy doing what I'm doing. You know, I love making videos, and I am going to continue on, and I'm going to retire in 5 years, so I got to start now, my channels. But this is my mindset channel. I have a crochet channel. I'll be working on my music channel. I have a music channel. It's linked into, I think I have it. No, I don't think I have connected it to this channel. But it's called Laudiaann Music. You can check it out. I'm still working on it. I do sing. I'm a musician. I play multiple instruments. So that needs work. And I have much more that I want to create. You know, I'm always keeping myself active, and I keep myself young. As a matter of fact, people think I'm so young. I'm going to be 60 in November, and I don't look like I'm 60. And I think the reason why is because I crochet a lot. I keep my mind active, and I keep myself happy, all right? So that's what you need to have, the mindfulness of staying happy. Reading motivational books that are uplifting really helps a lot, physically and mentally. The way you think, change the way you think, okay, and continue to pursue positive things in your life. Good report, no bad report. You know, it's all about the mindset, how you see yourself, and how you think what you can do, all right, to make a difference in this world. Talk to you all soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my fresh new video. Subscribe to my channel and watch my suggested video because it might be a word for you. Bye, everybody.